Tesla is suspending production at its Shanghai factory for 2 days as China tightens COVID restrictions to curb its latest outbreak. Suppliers and Tesla staff were told in a notice seen by Reuters that production would be suspended Wednesday and Thursday. There was no reason given for the stoppage at the plant, which normally runs around the clock. It produces cars for the China market and is also a crucial export hub to Germany and Japan. According to the China Passenger Car Association, the factory delivers just over 2,000 vehicles a day. Authorities in Shanghai have asked many residents not to leave their homes or workplaces for 48 hours to as long as 2 weeks as they conduct COVID tests or carry out contact tracing. In a separate notice, Tesla asked suppliers to estimate how many workers were needed to achieve full production and to provide details of employees affected by COVID restrictions. It also asked suppliers to prepare workers to live, sleep and eat at the factories in an agreement similar to China's closed-loop management process. Tesla did not have any immediate comment.